We're going to talk about the 7 best keto snacks and easy snacks coming up next. Thank you, Moon Cheese, for sponsoring this video. Hey friends, on this episode, we're gonna do 7 of the best keto snacks or easy keto snacks. And I am so excited to dive in. We're getting ready to go hike on the Shenandoah Mountains here in Virginia. And I've got all of my awesome Moon Cheese snacks without having to worry about the 15-letter pronunciation of the ingredients. The ingredients are clean as an easy keto snack. I can totally pop them in my bag. And I love that there's Get Pepper Jacked. There's fun flavors, cheddar believe it. With the new relaunch of Moon Cheese, these incredible flavors taste so good with cheddar bacon crazy and garlic and parmesan. There's 5 different flavors to pick from and they are absolutely amazing. And the question is, which one am I gonna take on the hike today? Let's go. We're gonna take a quick break from hiking for my 7 best easy keto snacks. Number 1 being Moon Cheese. Look at those ingredients in the back. We can actually pronounce them, which is one of the reasons why this is number 1 easy keto snack and best keto snack. I love the reusable pouch, particularly being on the go like I am, and that I can open it up and share it with my son or have it by myself. I love that this is a great high-fat, moderate protein, low-carb snack for the ketogenic diet because there's over 10 grams of protein and less than 2 carbs per serving. Hello, keto weight loss. I do like that these are crunchy. Do you guys crave crunchy things on the keto diet? I know I do, and I like a snack like this that is power-packed crunchiness that I can put on top of salads or soups or simply carry in my pocketbook if I'm going to the movies or going to a ball game for my little boy. It's a fun on-the-go snack that does not need to be refrigerated because it does have a stable shelf life. At the $3.99 price point, and yes, we do talk prices here at Countess of Low Carb, this 2-ounce bag can be found at Whole Foods, Publix, Starbucks. I did go through the drive-through Starbucks, I will admit, twice this week to get one of these snacks. Also, you can get Target, REI, King Scoopers, ShopRite, Wegmans, and at some Costco stores. Y'all have told me in the comments about how you found these awesome Moon Cheese snacks at Costco. I do love this brand because they have rebranded their brand, adding fun flavors like garlic and parmesan, cheddar make me crazy, oh my gouda, cheddar believe it. These fun amazing treats are great for crunch if I want to go watch an episode of Golden Girls while losing weight. And of course, I do want snacks to be high fat, so I make sure for my next snack, I love fresh coconut. Coconut is such a wonderful, easy keto snack to have. I get mine at Whole Foods. I feel so clean eating it because it is such high fat, and literally Whole Foods has already cut off all the shenanigans with the coconut. So coconut is my next easy keto snack, and you can literally pack those really simply if you're on the go. And if you have little kids too, my little boy, he loves having coconut too. I love coconut because it's only 2 net carbs for a half a cup, and you can grab it in containers like this one at Whole Foods. It was $3.22 for this whole package of the coconut, and it's so filling. It's so fresh tasting, particularly if it's a hot day and for your keto snack, you want something to help cool you down, or that's really, really filling on vacation. I do like having this easy keto snack because I can just grab it and go if I'm near somewhere that's already has it all cut up. Our next keto snack and low carb snack is going to be pecans, ringing in at 1 net carb per 1/4 of a cup. Just make sure that you have those bad boys measured out. I do find that I overeat on nuts. I do like big nuts and I cannot lie. I do find that I overeat on nuts unless they are pre-portioned out. So I always make sure that I have them in little glass containers and that they're not just a big bag. If I have a big bag, I find myself having too many keto snacks. And of course, for my keto weight loss journey of losing 75 pounds, I got to keep things simple. For an easy keto snack, pecans are great as long as you parcel them out, but also you can make these in the oven and roast them, put a little cinnamon on them. You can do lots of things with pecans because they're so versatile with such a low carb count for a 1/4 a cup. You can take them to the movies, you can take them on the run. Like, those are usually my criteria for the best keto snacks is how versatile are they? They don't need to be in the refrigerator, and people love them as long as you don't overeat on them. We are done with our hike. We're going to go home and have our next easy keto snack, which is going to be avocados. Avocados ringing in as our next best keto snack and easy keto snack. Y'all know I'm a big proponent of intermittent fasting and that really having whole meals is best, but sometimes we need snacks. Like this is Royal Weight Loss Meets Real Life, and here in my family, we do occasionally weave snacks in, but ideally do preach intermittent fasting is best. But if you're going to have a snack, of course, picking one that's high fat, moderate protein, low carb for the ketogenic diet, and avocados ring in at a full cup of cut avocados is, put in the comments below how many net carbs. It's 3 net carbs. If you put 3 net carbs, you would be correct. Ding, 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 ding. You win a gold star. So for this easy keto snack, literally just cutting up your avocados and having that to eat. It's fresh. My little boy, if you have little, babies, basically, when they start eating, we fed him a lot of avocados. It's great for brain functions. It's great for skin. It's great for digestion. There's a lot of wonderful benefits of having avocados. And I do have an avocado rotation video if you find yourself either having really firm avocados or really, really mushy ones. So there is a cadence and rhythm of having them on your countertop to eat them at the perfect time. Like this one's literally perfect. It's not too hard. It's not too soft. It's like Goldilocks of the avocados, but it's a great easy keto snack, and it's one of the best keto snacks for health benefits of only 3 net carbs. For our next easy keto snack and best keto snack, I picked walnuts. Walnuts are our next easy keto snack and best keto snack. I like them again for their shelf life. They're easy to have. I again go back to anything nut related I have to measure out or else I will overeat it. This package does say there's 4 net carbs, meaning 5 carbs minus 1 gram of fiber and 1/4 a serving. However, when I go onto my Carb Manager Premium, it's saying walnuts for 1/4 a cup are only 2 net carbs. I'm kind of confused. Maybe it's because these are whole walnuts versus chopped walnuts, but this is an awesome example for keto snacks of just making sure you're reading the labels, right? Like I would have gone off of my Carb Manager Premium versus the actual packaging, and I would have been 2 net carbs over. So again, I like to measure these bad boys out. They're a great snack for crunch. They're really fun for the movies or on the go. I also like making fried chicken with them. If you like mash them into dust, you can make them as part of your keto fried chicken. So these are great to add to keto meals or just a regular keto snack in general. Our next keto snack is deviled eggs. Deviled eggs are ringing in as 4 halves equal 1 net carb or 1 carb. Just make sure you don't add sugar into them, but they are a great easy keto snack and a lazy keto snack too. And some of y'all have put in the comments that you don't even make them as deviled eggs. You just scoop them on top of the salad with the filling. Our next easy keto snack and lazy keto snack is charcuterie boards. Making your own with pepperoni or cheeses or delicious meats is a great easy keto snack, and having 2 ounces of cheese is 2 carbs, or having 4 ounces of pepperoni is 1 carb. Recap for our 7 best keto snacks and easy keto snacks. Number 1 is our moon cheese. These delicious flavors that pack a power pack crunchy taste to, that are 2 carbs and 10 grams of protein per serving, and you can easily take it in your pocketbook when you're traveling, or if you have little children, with a resealable bag on them, and they're at most major retail stores. Our second easy keto snack was coconut. Coconut is an amazing easy keto snack, super low carb, high fat, very filling, and is great if you can get your hands on it at a local store. Next is not organic, you can get them just plain avocados. Avocados are a great easy keto snack cut up. And if you have found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button, click subscribe, and special thank you to Moon Cheese for sponsoring this video. And then we do have pecans. Just make sure you measured out those portions. 1/4 a cup serving size for pecans for an easy keto snack. Our easy keto snack is cheeses. Are amazing. They're so good and such a great, handy, easy keto snack. Our next is deviled eggs for a great keto snack. Just make sure that you're not adding sugars into it for your deviled eggs. And then our charcuterie board, or having pepperoni, salami type meats, is a great easy keto snack for on the go, and one that my family loves. We'll see you again next time, guys. Make it a powerful day.
Cheese ball.
You got the Gouda cheese balls? Yum. Do those look good?
Mm-hmm.